So, one makes a lot of mistakes when they are young, like not doing well in the test, or, you know, getting drunk and having someone cut their hair because this happens, and you start to question everything. Do you ever write in your journal when you're drunk and then you read it and you're like, I miss Rachel and Monica because I have no friends? Like, what the fuck? Kitty. 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 Did you roll in brownie batter today? Did Mummy have to bathe you because you rolled in brownie batter today? Is that a thing that happened? Is that something that we dealt with today? I think she's embarrassed, and rightfully so. She won't even talk to me. Not just because she's a dog, but because she's very upset that I'm sharing that she rolled around with brownie batter. Yep, that was a rough bath to give. It's a weird one. Herbal essences couldn't save anybody. Check out my fucking mullet. The good life. Yeah.